Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to start using Artbreeder for beginners. In order to use Artbreeders for beginners, you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is you need to start by creating your account. So for that case, you want to open up a browser, and on the web address bar, you want to type in www.artbreeder.com. When you type in artbreeder.com, it's going to take you to their official page, which will look something like this. So in order to use Artbreeder, what else you want to do is you want to click on sign up since you have to create an account. Either you want to continue with the Google or an email, you could follow this. I'm going to go with the Google account and select the particular account that you want to go with and click the continue button. As soon as you've done it so, you could see that you've successfully created or that you're logged into your account. This is how it's gonna look like. Now here you could go ahead and select the catalog or composer or the design that you want to create with. Now here you want to go ahead and describe the image. So here you could go ahead and describe the image, and you could also use different features such as settings. You could also go with pause automatic regenerations or all of that, or else you could also go and upload the image, or you could go with the style, face, content, base image, all that. So basically you could go with other options as well. Then you could go with the creation mode and all that. So here you could find out different options, so you could explore all of these and you'll be able to use it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.